How exciting. This is actually day 3, not day 1, but this is day 3 of this fabulous refurb job that I'm going to be doing. And this is what the house currently looks like. I have started in the hallway, as you can see. I've just pulled off some of the face paper. That one there, actually been on the walls for many, many years. Just peeling off the front. But I'm going to be doing this whole house. But what I'm going to do is just work with what I've got, the beauty of this building, and just reinstate it to its former glory. No ripping out and replacing with modern stuff. There's no need. And that's just more waste for landfill. And then it just, for me, destroys the fabric and the beauty of this old building. And this house belongs to a chappie called John, and he's lived here for many, many years. And so what I'm going to do, like I said, is just reinstate it to its former glory. So I'm going to keep that ceiling, those beams, just take out the wood chip that's in between and make it flat. So I will be looking contemporary, but still with the old characters of the building. Characteristics, not characters, because the characters aren't here anymore. Sadly, they don't live here anymore. But yeah, I'm going to make this house look so nice. But the man that lived here was very meticulous. But people back in the sort of like 50s and 60s and 70s did actually do up their own houses and know how to do them quite well. And that's something that's missing in these days. People just call in tradespeople or just do a bodge job themselves. That attention to detail really has gone. But this man, it really is attention to detail. And it's great working behind him. It's fabulous. And this kitchen's going to get redone by my friend Sean. He's a master carpenter and builder and fabulous, beautiful workmanship. But again, we're probably going to keep the tiled floors, just make them cleaner again. So to keep that old characteristic. And then in the hallway, again, these doors, they're actually painted really well. There's not major cracks in them or anything. That one's probably one of the worst ones. But upstairs, they're done really, really well. The banisters are painted really well. Again, no major runs or drips or anything. So it's going to be, for me, quite a luxury working behind somebody that's actually done the job really, really well. I just have to bring it up to 2019 kind of standards. Things like getting rid of those polystyrene tiles, because again, fire hazard, and of course, very dated. Oh, we don't want that. We want a beautiful contemporary house with the old characters and beauty and charm of this building. So, wait for this. Look at that bathroom suite. Woo-hoo. I'm going to keep that and probably do some funky flamingo wallpaper in there. Or maybe some 1930s paper that I might be able to source online. Some original paper. And then this room, there's textured paper everywhere. Look, texture. Oh, it's on the ceilings. It's a bit of a nightmare to get off because behind that, the man, he put cork on the walls, which was quite fashionable many, many years ago to insulate, stop sound and keep the warmth in. There's some bodgy bits there, like pipes that need to come out and funky bits. The electrician's been in, Kelly, the electrician, female electrician, brilliant. Her company's been in and they've done the electrics. But again, they didn't just rip out and replace. They just worked with what they had, brought it up to standard, and they really haven't made much damage at all, which normally it's me that has to repair. This is one of the biggest holes, but even that's not too bad. At least they haven't chased out the whole wall all the way up. So in this hallway, I've started peeling off the paper because I was bored the other night. Did that late at night until the neighbour started knocking on the wall saying, "Here, stop banging." So I thought, oops, maybe they can hear it. Oh dear. And then I'm going to use magic paint, my Zinza that I've talked about many, many times, and use that on the woodwork to change that from an oil-based system to a water-based system quickly and effectively. But I will show you in another video how I do it and why I do it. This little room used to be a kitchen. So in here, a bit of extra work to do. Take out some pipes, those ones there, because they're not needed anymore. And then things like fill up that hole over there. Again, more textured paper, it's everywhere. But I've got another trick to get rid of that. You just peel off the face, you don't take the whole lot off. So this room I started on day 1 and day 2. And in here, I have peeled off the textured paper on both the ceiling and all the walls. And it didn't actually take me that long. So I'm now left with just the backing paper, which can act as a lining paper. There's some of the front that I pulled off. And then I'll just do any repairs on top of this lining paper. You don't have to take it back to the bare wall to do your preparation and filling. You can just do it straight on top. Yeah, so this room, a few holes to fill. A few sort of like imperfections on the ceiling. Imperfections could barely even say the word then. But they can be rectified, like I said. And then upstairs to the final little room. These stairs, they're either going to get carpeted or I might paint them and put a runner carpet up the middle. Haven't quite decided yet. A lot of things I do, it's quite organic. I make a decision at the beginning, but invariably it changes along the way because I think of better options. And this little top bedroom, yeah, this is where I'm going to be sleeping. So this is the next room I'm going to do, because this is going to be my little den for the next probably 10 to 12 weeks, because I'm going to sleep on site quite a lot, because it's a big old trek back to South London. Well, not even South London. I don't live in South London. I live in Epsom. I used to live in South London. Oh, see, I'm so engrossed on the job. I've forgotten sort of like details of where I live. Oh, but this will be my den, and it's going to be so nice in here. So keep watching my videos to watch for progress, how this house is going to transform from this to something splendid, but retaining its natural old character and charm. It's going to be beautiful. Keep watching for updates. Bye.